Our Mariothon this year is coming August 21st to August 23rd. Hey Nintendo fans and collectors, Lithium here from my channel Nintendo Collecting, bringing you an introduction to this year's Mariothon. If you've never heard of our Mariothons, I think this is our 4th annual one, and it's where we have a Mario Marathon. We play through the 12 main games of Mario on home consoles. We try and play them all 100% on probably 5 or 6 TVs. I will be streaming this to Twitch, so there's a link in the description below the video to Twitch because I will be practicing next week starting Monday. I hope to be streaming the games I will be practicing. So essentially, what games are we going to be playing through? Most of the ones that you see here. So we're going to be playing through Mario 1, 2, and 3, all on the original Nintendo Entertainment System. So that's the first 3 games. Then we're going to be playing the Lost Levels on Super Mario All-Stars. And we're also going to be playing Super Mario World, probably on the All-Stars card as well. Then after that is Mario 64. So all 6 of those games will be on one TV. They will definitely be streamed live on Twitch, 100% of all of those games. So that's going to be really exciting. All those games probably back-to-back will take us nearly 20 hours is the estimate. Then likely on another TV we're going to have Super Mario Sunshine, and after that's done we're going to play Super Mario Galaxy. On a separate TV, the third TV, we're going to be playing Super Mario Galaxy 2. That's a really long game. And then I think maybe on another TV, we're going to have New Super Mario Bros. Wii. And then when that's done, New Super Mario Bros. U. And then perhaps on the 5th TV, maybe 6 TVs, we'll see what we do. We have Super Mario 3D World. Probably the longest game in the entire series. So that game's probably going to take us maybe 30 hours. So we're hoping the Mariothon will start Friday at 4 p.m. on the 21st and go until Sunday night. Maybe we'll be done early, maybe not. We will definitely 100% this one though. I am committed, and a few of my other friends are 100% committed to this as well. My wife will be playing some of these games, and a lot of my best friends will be playing with us as well. So right now I only have 1, 2, 3, 4 TVs set up in here. I'm going to get a 5th and a 6th, and I need another monitor actually to be streaming onto Twitch. And hopefully we're going to show 3 or 4 games at once. So the 6 games that I talked about, Mario 1, 2, 3, Lost Levels, World, and 64, will all be shown at the same time. Sorry, will all be shown sequentially, back to back to back to back. And then Super Mario Sunshine should be on another screen. Maybe Super Mario Galaxy 2 will be shown, maybe on a webcam. And then the other games will be shown, and we'll be flipping through them as well. So it's probably going to be really exciting. I'm looking into some local charities. We might do that for donations and actually support a nice cause this time around. So I look forward to seeing you on the Twitch stream. Hopefully this week you can check it out as well. The games that I am going to be playing this year are Super Mario Sunshine. I might be playing up to 50% of that, but not 100%. We're sharing that one because it's a really hard game, and actually we're training with different worlds. And I'm hoping to 100% beat Super Mario Galaxy. That's the main game that I'm learning. I will also be probably playing some of Mario Galaxy 2 at some point, New Super Mario Bros. Wii, perhaps some of New Super Mario Bros. U, and Super Mario 3D World. Those are the games I'm going to predominantly be playing during the Mariothon. Please check it out, August 21st, August 23rd. Very exciting. I am looking forward to it. Remember, as always, go collect them all, and just keep smiling while gaming.